If the microwave in your oven-microwave combo is loud or noisy during operation, here are the 4 most probable causes. The magnetron uses high voltage to generate the microwave frequency that cooks the food and normally emits a low hum. However, if the magnetron is damaged or nearly burned out, it may begin emitting high-pitched sounds or growling noises. You can use a multimeter to test the magnetron for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. The reading should be less than 1 ohm for the magnetron to be working properly. A defective diode could also be responsible for a noisy magnetron. As with the magnetron, you can test the diode with a multimeter and a 9-volt battery to determine if the diode has continuity. The diode should only show continuity in one direction. If the diode tests negative for continuity in both directions or has continuity in both directions when the leads are reversed, then the diode has failed and will need to be replaced. A malfunctioning turntable motor can also be noisy. If the motor is receiving proper voltage, but the motor shaft won't turn or is noisy when doing so, you should replace the motor with a new one. A faulty exhaust or cooling fan motor can also make a loud noise. Remove the fan motor from the microwave and try turning the blades by hand. If the blades do not turn freely, it's likely the motor has failed and will need to be replaced. Be aware that the high voltage and current used by microwave ovens can cause injury or death if the unit is being disassembled. You should always unplug the appliance before attempting any repairs. But since the high-voltage capacitor may retain a charge even after the oven has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals test and replace internal components. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven-microwave combo.